Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the bitrate in Audacity to 192 kilobits per second for ACX. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the File menu there. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Export Audio. This is the option you need to access Audacity's export settings, where you can control the quality and format of your audio output. After clicking Export Audio, you'll see another option appear. Click on Export to Computer. This will open up the export window where you can configure all your audio file settings before saving it to your PC. Now at the top of this export window, you'll see a field where you can name your audio file. Type in whatever name you'd like to give your exported audio. This helps you keep your files organized, especially if you're working on multiple projects. If you want to change where the file gets saved, you have the option to do that now. Click the Browse button, which will open a window showing your computer's folders. Navigate to the folder where you want to save your file, then click Save to set that location. If you're fine with the default location, you can skip this step entirely. Below the file name field, you'll see an option labeled Format. Click the drop-down menu right beside it, and from the list that appears, select MP3 files. This ensures your audio will be exported in the MP3 format, which is what ACX requires for audiobook submissions. Next, just below the Format option, you'll see Sample Rate. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select either 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz, depending on your project requirements. For most ACX submissions, 44,100 Hz is the standard choice, but double-check ACX's current specifications to be sure. Now here's where you control the bitrate. Below the sample rate, you'll see an option labeled Bitrate Mode. Click the drop-down menu right beside it and select Constant. Setting it to constant ensures a consistent audio quality throughout your entire file, which is important for professional audiobook production. Right below that, you'll find the quality setting. Click the drop-down menu next to it, and from the options that appear, select 192 kilobits per second. This is the bit rate that ACX requires for their audiobook submissions, ensuring your audio meets their technical standards. Once you've configured all these settings, click the Export button at the bottom of the window. Audacity will now process and export your audio file with the 192 kilobits per second bitrate you just set. This might take a moment depending on the length of your audio, so just give it a few seconds to complete the export. And that's it. You've successfully changed the bitrate in Audacity to 192 kilobits per second, making your audio file ready for ACX submission. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.